Hey everybody, this week on Talk Up Tuesday, we're taking out the garbage. Hey, today, performance waste management. Special day, Greg Wilson, the owner of Performance Waste Management. It's his birthday, so happy birthday, Greg. What can you say about Performance Waste? They do everything when it comes to waste. I'm so proud of what this guy has built in his business over the last several years. Everything from roll-off bins to, site construction bags that they can haul off and lift and leave at your homes or at your commercial construction sites. Greg and his team just do a wonderful job. He's such a great leader. He's got a great team with him. Every time I've ever had to deal with anybody in his business, and we use them a lot, they've always been just fantastic to deal with. Check out performancewaste.ca. Phone number is 403-254-1414. And again, happy birthday, Greg. Have a great one. Take care, everybody.